Valentine's Day is annually celebrated on February 14th. This day is also called as Saint Valentine's Day or the Feast of Saint Valentine. What is the story behind Valentine's Day? There are a number of martyrdom stories associated with Valentine's Day. The most popular one is that of the Roman Saint Valentine, who was imprisoned and persecuted under the Roman Empire in 3rd century. According to early tradition, Saint Valentine restored sight of the blind daughter of his jailer and later wrote a letter to her signed Your Valentine as a farewell before his execution. Another tradition posits that Saint Valentine performed weddings for Christian soldiers who were forbidden to marry. The feast of Saint Valentine was established by Pope Gelasius I in 496 AD to be celebrated on February 14 in honor of Saint Valentine of Rome, who died on that date in 269 AD and was buried on the Via Flaminia. The relics of Saint Valentine were kept in the church and catacombs of San Valentino in Rome, which remained an important pilgrim site throughout the Middle Ages. The flower-crowned skull of Saint Valentine is exhibited in the Basilica of Santa Maria in Cosmede in Rome. Other relics too are found at White Friars Street, Caramelty Church in Dublin of Ireland. Valentine's Day is mentioned ruefully by Ophelia in William Shakespeare's Hamlet. Formal messages or valentines appeared in the 1500s and by the late 1700s, commercially printed cards were being used. The first commercial valentines in the United States were printed in the mid-1800s. Valentines commonly depict Cupid, the Roman god of love, along with hearts, that traditionally the seat of emotion. Birds also became a symbol of the day. Traditional gifts include candies and flowers, particularly red roses, a symbol of beauty and love. Valentine's Day today is celebrated in a variety of ways. In some parts of the world, Valentine's Day is observed as a day for expressing love between family members and friends. Some traditions include leaving lollies and gifts for children, and others include acts for appreciation between friends. A nice dinner, outing, picnic, camping trip, cooking a fancy meal at home, or hosting Valentine's Day party are all great ways to celebrate this day of love. Let's celebrate this Valentine's Day with great joy and love with our kith and kins. Let's share happiness, peace and love among humanity. Kindly share this video with your loved ones. Thank you.